Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time they see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start today's news. Alright, so Thierry Henry will be one of the Arsenal legends, so call the comments about what happened yesterday. So Baba Kwandi of the opinion say Gabriel Jesus could have scored 2 to 3 goals against West Ham, but he didn't. Because like say then create a lot of chances for the match, but it just the unfortunate say our striker no really fit score. Like Baba just did somehow disappointed because Arsenal will always create chances against that opposition. The only thing we they needed na conversion. You get somebody will go put the ball at the back of the net, and this buttresses our point. So the talk say Arsenal actually need a goal poacher, a number 9. That Gabriel Jesus is not good enough for Arsenal. You get not be saying they contribute, or they contribute, but the problem is say we actually need somebody that will come in and score goals. You get, in fact, you see what happened yesterday. Somebody can't even call me. One of our committee members said, "CHUKS say in like as Arsenal lose, because if Arsenal no lose like this, Arteta no go likely sign striker, because Arteta don't come outside tell us for the media said to say then get some ideas for their head, and if they see a position where we say they fit get somebody to come in and do better than those that we have already, then go take them." So this type of games now they serve as a catalyst, now they trigger clubs to get to say, okay, enough is enough, let's go and get a striker. So it is what it is. Alright, we enter the match review. Now when you check the match where Arsenal played against West Ham, remember say West Ham beat us 2-0. Arsenal were just unlucky on the night. Martinelli had a very bad day at the office because it just did unfortunate. So we did everything we could do, everything in our power, but at the end of the day, we know if you win the match. Get West Ham just how many chances they create, they can't win the match. I can't see many people for the comment section. People were complaining. They get fine, like I'm saying, because that yesterday, you can't be like say some people they say, CHUKS, they attack people, say they drop their opinion. No, the fact that you have an opinion doesn't mean you insult the panelists. And I see some comments where they say they were directed at me, people insulting me. You may not like what I say. Attack my argument, challenge my argument. I implore you. Challenge what I am saying. If Baba Sato is saying something you don't like, challenge it. Don't come at Baba Sato, Gajoka, Manuel. They say something you don't like, you attack their personality instead of attacking the arguments. You attack me. I saw there were over 400 comments. I saw some disgusting comments from people that were not supposed to make those comments. Adults, get. There are comments you're not supposed to make on social media. Attack what I'm saying. Don't attack me. And that is where I'm coming for people that are making such comments. Somebody enter my DM and say, "CHUKS, make I know the vex." Now say now people will play sport bets. Say Arsenal disappointed them. Does that mean you come and insult me because you play sport bet and you know what? Somebody insulted me, say, "CHUKS, you gave us too much hope. You gave us expectation. Because of that, you tell me like I can't even say the same thing you said here." So that is what I'm saying. Opinions are not facts. Opinions are not cast on stone. Opinions can be challenged. Every day on this show, I challenge opinions of Gary Neville, Rio Ferdinand. Nobody bats an eye, but when you say something and I challenge your own opinion, it becomes bad. No. When you say something, I have the right to challenge you, just like you have the right to challenge mine. So that's clear. Alright, so away from that, so the one they asked Arteta about the match we then play, you can say I didn't see the game. Arteta can say congratulations to West Ham. They were better with their chances because they had just 3 shots. Three shots, and those shots now when you add the penalty, they had 3 shots and they took it. We had 30 shots. Like, it is mind-blowing. 30 shots and we could not score 1. Like, it's, I don't even know how to express myself because what happened yesterday, it follow pain me. It is mind-blowing. 30 shots and we could not do anything. So I think I just say in football you have to do better if you want to win. That's just the truth of the matter. I know say they ask Arteta for that, can't say whether the chances what we miss now because of say maybe we get issue with our forwards. So Arteta can't explain say no, say it is what it is. If we cannot score from 30 shots, we go need like 50, 60, 70 shots to score. That's what Arteta is saying, and that Arteta's response, it will give you something like a different meaning if you can read between the lines. Yeah, because one of them say, is this a problem that has to do with the forwards? And say it is what it is, which means truly our forwards we have problem because Martinelli needs a rest. He needs breathing space. Make him rest small. Make Trossard coming from that place. Make see what Trossard go offer and see what Kai Havertz they do for us. And now go see and Koro say in presence there because West Ham actually give us time. Say if you don't want cross, make una cross. We don't get issue with you now. But you say that tiki taka to break and enter inside. No road if you want cross. And West Ham were ready to put their bodies on the line. If you want wipe shot, they will dive, put their face, put their everything there to secure that result. That West Ham team, they really tried. They are good. At the same time, Ateta come and call it and say, you see, the team tried. They really tried to win, but at the end of the day, you know work. Say the scoreline does not reflect what happened on the pitch. Fine, West Ham beat us 2-0, but really, did you watch the game? Did you see what we did? 30 shots versus 3. At the end of the day, we lost. Like, it's painful. Like Ateta, they talk, say, it really painful. And they ask Ateta about the VAR controversy, whether he see the goal where CHUKS score. You get so Baba Kanto say he never really watch out. You get, but within the here, they say VAR had inconclusive camera angles. For that reason, they cannot say whether the ball was out or the ball was in. So, na part of the thing we say, if at this day and age, with all the money spent on technology, we still cannot decide whether a goal is a goal or it's not. Come on, it don't make sense. Even Thierry Henry come and say, why is it that this is the second time this thing don't happen to us now we say they go score goal, we know whether na go, we know we go because we don't get sufficient camera angles to interpret with. So for that reason, why can't they get overhead cameras and install it on all the stadiums? At least in case this kind of thing happen again, because we now under unfortunate, it don't happen to us 2 times. And VR, there's nothing they can do, their hands are tied. So it is what it is. All those journalists they try to catch Ateta whether he go talk anything like, hey, this is great, say this, but Ateta just mellow down, gets controlling temper, just tell them say, well, it is what it is, there's nothing we can do about it. Alright, so at the same time, they ask Ateta whether this is now one of the most frustrating games of football we not experience. He said, yes, it is, because normally when the team generates so much chances and shots, then they win. Look at the game against Brighton, look at the game against Liverpool, that's what Ateta talk. But look at this one, 30, what be 30 shots, 30 whooping shots. One no enter, blocking, miss chance. Look at enough chances with Gabriel Jesus. Commentator at some point in the second half said Gabriel Jesus could have easily scored 2 goals, but it is what it is, I beg. So we'll just move on to other less painful news because this match, you pay me, but we'll just move on to other more positive stuff. Alright, so the Athletic come outside and let us know say Arsenal will turn their attention to Matthijs de Ligt of Bayern Munich, where they don't drop to the bench because then sign Kim Min Jae. So now that one have a regular MB before, the centre back was a regular at Bayern Munich, but because he got the chop bench now, so in the look for greener pastures. So since we don't have enough cover at the back, Arsenal they really say they would like to get the guy for January. So I don't know that Bayern would they willing to sell the player to us. Let's just see how it happens at the end of the day. If they sell him to us, all fine and good. Alright, the Athletic also they talk say Arsenal's hope of signing Ivan Toney say don't they at risk after Thomas Frank's desperation to keep the striker. And when you check him now, Mbeumo don't they injured, Yohan Wissa is going for AFCON. So the hierarchy for Brentford wants to sell the player because they believe this is the right time. But the coach still they beg them, say I beg, he still need Ivan Toney. He never will make Ivan Toney go. Yeah, sure. Just imagine that they will have somebody like Ivan Toney who did all those crosses. All those crosses. Don't know how. All those free headers. Don't know, but look at that one where Odegaard give him his Smith-Rowe. Well, look at the talk. The man they talk about it, they pay me, but it is what it is, sha. Even Shaka self come from London. I know they're on there aware, so you can watch the match, but it's just unfortunate say we lose the match because you can't do in farewell. No say don't talk before say you go enter London, come greet 1 or 2 people we no properly greet or tell them farewell, bye bye before he come out for the club. So this is like an opportunity for him to do same. So it is what it is, sha. Well, maybe we'll see stay sha to play our next game. So the last home match of the Emirates Stadium of the year, so it ended in a loss. I think this is our first loss at the Emirates Stadium. Our London debut record, just spoiler. Well, this is what it is, sha. Alright, so Arsenal's match 1-1 draw when they play with Liverpool. We got to hear from NBC say it was the most watched EPL game in USA with a history of 1.9 million viewers across all NBC platforms. Now the match will get the previous record with this one break. Now Arsenal match versus Manchester United will play 3-2 with them for January, and that one had 1.992 million viewers. Let me say many fans of Arsenal there for that United States of America. As long as say Arsenal they play a very tough match, they go involved, they go come watch them. Sergio Gurase this season has scored 19 goals in 16 games for Ligue 1. So that's why people they talk say make Arsenal go sign the guy. And funny enough, the guy gets 17.5 million euros buyout clause, will be like 15.2 million pounds. Now in club they try to give him a contract extension to increase the clause, but he never agreed sign because they don't say the guy is better. So the guy don't play very well, the score goals are plenty. So people are saying if Arsenal will sign him and told him, they go take a risk. After all, the money no too cost. They go buy that one, see whether he will do any magic for us, because we actually need a striker. We need the priority right now. We can still forgive midfielders and wingers. You see that striker? We no get striker. When I just take a line, we no get striker. Alright, so the Athletic also come aside and say Ramsdale won't be allowed to leave on loan in January unless there is a significant clause, like an obligation to buy clause. We will be added to the deal. So anybody want them on loan, the loan has to be with an obligation. Say at the end of the season, it will give us so amount, because it no will make sense to send him out on loan to go and strengthen any of our rivals. It is a no-brainer. So more just the word January, we'll see some surprises. Like one of my friends talk say this match we will lose against West Ham, it is going to be a catalyst. Say it did good, at least make it let Arteta know say we need striker, because Arteta said will they frustrated with all those chances that will be missed all over again. So it is what it is. So my dear Arsenal lovers, we don't lose yesterday, we say we don't lose. My farewell message we say make we learn how to control our emotions. Learn how to speak in public domain. Stop being insultive to one another. Challenge people's opinions. Challenge arguments. Don't challenge the person. No, they insult people. If person says something you don't like, talk your own. As long as it is not a fact, it is an opinion. Challenge that opinion. You have the prerogative. You have the right to do so. And to do so, may God continue to bless you. So if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.